Without seeing through these glasses, I cannot tell the difference between two people in front of me if they are across the room. I cannot read the board at school, I cannot watch a movie, so I am blind, right? And I am a contacts wearing person, but sometimes my eyes get bad, sometimes I'm in a glasses type of mood. And I also love makeup, and I don't necessarily want to just go barefaced when I wear glasses, but it makes me have to do my makeup a little bit differently. Today I will show you guys how I change my makeup to make it last longer while I'm wearing glasses. So first up, I do my regular skincare routine. Right now I'm mixing the MUJI moisturizing cream in the Nature line with some Keihls sunscreen. And also, big mood. When I'm wearing glasses, I literally can't even see the makeup I'm doing, so it's usually also a little more simple. So I'm still using most of the same products, like, right, oh, that is so uneven. I literally can't see, okay. So here we have the base. The base makeup is mostly all done, but I am going to set my eyes differently. I'm taking the Lock-It setting powder by Kat Von D, and I'm dipping my beauty sponge in. And I'm just going to use the baking technique under the eyes, which I usually don't feel the need to do, but I'm also going to put a lot right there in the center of my nose and here. And I never see anybody do this, but it seriously helps with keeping the makeup in those areas of my face on while the glasses are rubbing around all day. So what I do is I don't really bake the proper way. I just sort of pat it in, and then I let it stay for a while before I brush it off. While that's happening, I'm gonna do my brows. And even with eyebrows, I like to make them kind of fluffy, especially with glasses. I don't know, because a lot of attention is drawn to this, to your eyes, right? Because you have goggles on all day. I'm also just going to get the teeniest bit of black mascara onto my brush, and I'm going to put that on there just to kind of make it a little darker, and so it stays in place. And now an obscenely large powder brush that's probably not meant for this, and some setting powder from Urban Decay. It's the all-nighter one, and I'm just brushing that away and kind of blending it in to the rest of my face so I don't have stripes of whiteness. And for my eyes today, I will be using Modern Renaissance for more of a mauve-y kind of natural look that will really show underneath the glasses, but it's not going to put too much attention. So I'll be going in with Golden Ochre, which is sort of like a musky yellow color, and I'm just using that as a transition shade. And then with the Anastasia brush, I'm going in with Raw Sienna, which is just a darker kind of orangey, yeah, and I'm blending that in to the side of my lid and drawing it outwards kind of in circular motion. And I'm taking Buon Fresco and I'm just blending that over the entire lid to give it more of a subdued type of feel. And I'm taking a mixture of Primavera and Vermeer, and I'm just putting that all over the lid on both sides and blending that out with my hand. Now, I like using shimmers with my finger because I feel like it just picks up the product much better, and when you want a natural look, it blends it out really well. And I'm taking the same brush I used for my brows. I'm going into Cypress Umber, and I'm just sort of filling that in. So this kind of defines your lids, and it gives you a lot of shape without doing the same thing as a really thick black wing, because that draws so much attention to the eye. It can look a little funky under the round glasses I have sometimes. And yes, I still go ham on the lashes, but with mascara, not falsies, and it like rubs up against the lenses of my glasses all day, and that's something I've just kind of accepted. Okay, so while that dries, and make sure you do not put your glasses on before your mascara dries because you're going to get black goo all over the lenses and that's not cute. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Cream Contour Palette, and I'm just going to do kind of a light cheekbone contour. And when you have too much makeup on your cheeks and you're wearing glasses, it's just a lot going on, and I have a tiny face, so it just looks kind of very condensed and crazy. For blush, I'm going with MAC's Melba, which is a really nice dusty rose type of color. And I use a lot of blush. I don't always use a lot of blush, but when I wear glasses, I use a lot of blush. I like the way it looks, and I like the way it frames my face. And for me, it kind of acts as a bronzer as well, and that's my kind of jam. Alright, that looks like it's it. Oh, and another thing, the reason why I don't use highlighter when I wear glasses is, like I said earlier, imagine this, but just with a ton of glow, and this is already going across my face, and the highlight will be going across my face in sort of like a line, and it's just a lot. So yeah, I keep my makeup very natural and very simple for my glasses days, but I still feel like it frames my face pretty well. Now I look smarter than I actually am, so I will see you guys later, and thank you so much for watching.